Hello everybody, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we took overview about the custom animation. Today, I will teach you something very nice. For example, let's go to the annotation. I will go and I will bring this text. For example, here. I will make it like this. Double click. I will write, for example, this one. My name is Khalid. I will go to the callouts and I will extend it, for example, until this. Okay. So now if I play the video will play with the same text until the end, until here, right? Okay. Now I want to do something nice. I will go to the shape and I will bring this square like this. I want it black and I will make it bigger like this. Okay? Very nice. So now you can see some shadow. I don't want this shadow to appear. I will go to the properties here. I will go to the shadow. I will make the offset 0. So now you will not see anything, right? Now I will put this one here. Okay? And I will extend it to be until the end of the clip. So now I just want to do animation to move this rectangle to be like this. It's like computer writing. Okay, so let's back it again here. Now what I will do, I will go to the animation. I will make custom animation. For example, I will go to the playhead. From here I can go here and put, for example, custom animation here. Now I will make the size like this. I want the animation to be slowly, so I can drag it like this. Okay, so now I will go to this rectangle and I will make like this. So this is the animation. Okay, that's it. Now let's play the video. Wow. So I teach you today some skills that you can think about it later to add, for example, introduction videos using these techniques. So I just want you to think about what kind of animations that you can do. So I just give you a small example and I just want you to do this by yourself. Maybe because you are better than me in animation and maybe you have a lot of ideas better than me. But I just want to give you a brief about animation. Thank you so much and see you in the next lesson.